Hello friends, I am going to start illustration number 4 of semi-final SFM illustration. Okay, lease and hire purchase. Please read the question. This is important question. This question has been asked many times in examination. Okay, please read illustration number 4. Illustration number 4. Elite builder has been approached by a foreign embassy to build for the block of six flats to be used as guest houses. As per the terms the contract, foreign embassy would provide a elite builder plan, this plan and a land. Elite builder plan and land by the foreign embassy costing rupees 25 lakh. This is provided by the foreign embassy. This is not investment of the elite builders. That's why this is not considered. Okay, elite builder would have to build up flats at their own cost, and lease them foreign embassy for the 15 years, and at the end of the which the flats were transferred to the foreign embassy for a nominal value of rupees 8 lakh. Nominal value of rupees 8 lakh. Builders estimate the cost of construction 1000 x square per flats. Construction cost rupees 400 per x square feet. Registration cost 2.5% of the construction cost. Elite builder also incurred 4 lakh each year, 14 and 15 years toward the repair and maintenance. Elite builder said normal, this is lease rent, normal lease rent X, this is 1.2x, this is 1.5x. This is normal lease rent. Now, elite builders present tax rate average 35%, which is likely to be same for the future. The full cost of the construction and the registration will be written off over 15 years. This is 15 years, an uniform rate, and will be allowed for the tax purposes. Cost of construction and registration will be written off 15 years. That is, this is depreciated. Depreciation value is taken on the 15 year and no salvage value. You are required to calculate the nominal lease rents per annum per flat. For your exercise, you may assume minimum desired rate of return 10%. Rentals and repair will rise on the last day of the year. C. Construction, registration and other costs will be at 0 years. Okay, this is a very good question. This question has been asked in your exam, all the professional exams. Okay, now I'm going to find the working note in this case, and this cost is not considered for the elite builder because it is provided by the embassy only. It is provided by the embassy only. Okay, now working note first. Calculation of present value of repair and maintenance cost. Look at here. Repair and maintenance cost is 0, 1, 2, 3, dot, dot, dot. This is the 14, this is the 15. This year is a 4 lakh repair and maintenance cost. Here is a 4 lakh repair and maintenance cost. Okay. Now we write repair and maintenance cost rupees 4 lakh. Tax saving on repair and maintenance cost. Tax saving. What is 35%? 35%, 1,40,000. Repair and maintenance cost net of tax. Net of taxes equal to rupees 1,60,000. 1,60,000. Present value of repair and maintenance cost. Present value of repair and maintenance cost. Look at here. In this case, rupees 1,60,000 into present value annuity factor. This the discount rate is 10%. 10%, 14 year and 15 year. 2 years repair and maintenance cost incurred here. And rupees 1,60,000. Present value factor of these 2 years 0.2633 plus 0.23939. Ultimately, this is 68,000 466 plus 62,241. Ultimately, this is rupees 1,30,707. This is repair and maintenance cost. Now we need to calculate present value of cash outflow. Working note second. Calculation of present value of cash outflow. Look at here. In this case, what is the cost incurred by the construction company? That is construction cost. Construction cost is 1000 square feet at the rate of rupees 400 square for 6 flats. One flat is 1000 square. How many flats? 6 flats. 6 into 400 per square feet. That is 24 lakh. This is your construction. As well as 2%. This is construction plan registration. Registration cost 2.5% of 24 lakh. That is 60,000. This. And this is your 24 lakh 60,000 is the cost by on which Elite Builder can charge the depreciation with zero salvage value. So this is the investment incurred by the days 24 lakh 60,000 and life period is 15 years. At the end of a scrap value is 0, but sale value is given 8 lakh. Sale value is given 8 lakh because of Elite Builders. When flats given to the embassy, that in that case at the end of 15 years embassy will provide 8 lakh rupees, which information is given here. Elite Builder 8 lakh. This 8 lakh is provided by the embassy. In this case, terminal cash inflow is rupees 8 lakh out of the tax you have to pay it because of a scrap value is at 0. So now look at here. Cost of construction. Cost of construction. 6 flat for 1000 each. Rupees 24 lakh. Add construction cost. Cost 2.5% of 24 lakh. That is 60,000. Total depreciable items. Depreciable cost, whose depreciation is charged 24 lakh 60,000. Add repair and maintenance cost. Repair and maintenance cost. This is a present value of repair and maintenance cost. Present value of repair and maintenance cost. This we have already calculated 1,30,707. This is present value of cash outflow. This is rupees 25,90,707. Now we can calculate present value of tax saving on depreciation. Working note 3. Calculation of present value of tax saving on depreciation. Calculation of present value of tax saving on depreciation. Look at here. Depreciation. Cost minus scrap value over life. This is 24 lakh 60,000 minus 0 whole divided by 15, and depreciation is 1,64,000. Tax saving 50%, 35%. 35% of 1,64,000. 35% of 1,64,000 rupees 57,400. Present value of tax saving on depreciation. On depreciation, rupees 57,400 into present value annuity factor 10%, 15 years. This is 57,400 into 7.6061. This is rupees 4,36,590. This is present value of tax saving on depreciation. This is a tax benefit to the elite builders. Now we can calculate present value of lease rent received. Working note 4. Calculation of present value of lease rent received. Look at it. Present value of lease rent received by the elite builder. Foreign embassy has given contract to the elite builders to make up 6 flats, and foreign embassy is going to pay lease rent of each flats. First 5 year normal, next 5 years 20% increase of normal, next 5 year 50% increase in normal. Okay, any elite builder will receive lease rent. On the basis of that, elite builders want to recover initial investment as well as 10% return on initial investment. So this is given. Suppose this is a normal lease rent x 1.2x 1.5x. On this normal lease rent, you have to pay lease rent taxes. You have to pay rent on these taxes, tax on this tax. Okay, now let normal lease rent be x. One to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 15. Normal lease rent. Now I am not going to lease rent, that is x 1.2x. This is 1.5x. There are 6 flats. 6 into 6 into 6. That is 6x, 7.2x, 9x. You can subtract here tax rate as well, but I am going to subtract here tax rate. Okay, tax you subtract at end. Present value factor at the rate of 10%. 3.7908, 2.3538, 2.3538, 1.4615. Present value of lease rent. This multiplies with 22.7448, 7448x, 16.9473x, 736x 13.1535 total, that is a 52.84566 This is without tax. On this lease rent you have to pay 30% tax. Tax paid 30%. The lease rent received net of tax. Lease rent received net of tax. Net of taxes. That is 52.84566 x 1 minus 0.35. You have paid 0.35 is a tax in this case. And how much you will have? That is 34.1679x. This is you have received lease rent. Now we have to discuss about the terminal cash inflow. Okay, working note 5. Working note 5. Calculation of terminal cash inflow. Calculation of terminal cash inflow. A scrap value of lease rent is 0 because of you have charged fully depreciation. Now sale value is rupees 8 lakh. Sale value is 8 lakh. Now sale value is short term capital gain rupees 8 lakh. Tax paid 35%. Tax paid 35%. 2,80,000. Cash received net of tax. Net of tax 5,20,000. Present value of terminal cash inflow. Terminal cash inflow. This is rupees 5,20,000 into present value factor 10%, that equal to 15 years. Rupees 5,20,000. This is 0.239, that is 1,24,280. Now for 10% return, what will be the present value of cash inflow and present value of cash outflow should be equal. For 10% return, there must be present value of cash outflow. Your inflow is rent received, annual lease rent received. That was annual lease rent is, that is 34.1679 lease rent. Terminal cash inflow you have received. Terminal cash inflow you have received 124,280 and tax benefit on depreciation 4,36,590. This is a 4,36,590 you received tax saving on depreciation. Terminal cash inflow you have received 124,280. Your present value of cash outflow is 25,90,707. Now you have to calculate the value of x. Now x equal to 25,90,707. This is a x, the value of one plate lease rent. One plate that it is asking. 124,280 minus 436 436,590 whole divided by 34.1679 or x equal to 20 lakh 29,836 divided by 34.1679. This is rupees 59,407 7.6896. Okay, this the rent of each flat. What will be the rent of each flat? Rent of annual lease rent of each flat for 10% return should be charged by a light builder. From the foreign embassy, 59,407.6896. This answer. Okay, there may be the answer slightly changed due to the fractional part of the present value factor. Here what I have done, I have taken tax benefit at the end. It may be better to take tax benefit here 3x, 3.6x, 4.5x. After tax benefit you can write it. Okay, it is also good questions, and please remember this. Please like, subscribe and share my videos.